Have you ever wanted to show your pop-ups only on specific pages? If yes, that's where page targeting comes in. And in today's video, we'll learn how to do it in Popper. So let's dive in. So right now I'm at the Popper dashboard. So from here, let's go to campaigns. And in YT demo series, I will add a new Popper. So it will be a pop-up and I will name it page targeting. And let's choose from templates. We have covered all these things in previous videos. So if you haven't got chance to watch them previously, go and watch them after this video. So for now, I'll just choose this template. And yeah, here are we in our canvas. So what I'll do is I'll make sure that it's visible because my face is there. So I'll keep it at center. So yeah, it's visible now. Let's go to next. And we have already covered all the triggers, so I have a trigger over there which means it will load after, let's say, 5 seconds. 5 seconds, done. 5 seconds, right? And for page targeting, what I'll have to do is in display condition I have to go to pages, and here I can see right now by default it's targeted to all pages. So if I want to target it to any specific page or multiple pages, then I have to click on this. So now you can see we have two options here, show and hide. So what show does is, if you selected this, so what it will do is the popper or the widget or whatever you have created using popper.ai, that will only be visible to that specific pages. And if you want to hide pop-ups from a certain page, so if you have to select this. Okay, so now let's go through each of the settings one by one. So I'll first click on this show. So here it says show the pop-up on specific pages. So select the pages you want to show the pop-ups on. So let's start with home page, and I will click on this add rule. So now what will happen is the pop-up will only be shown in the home page. So I'll just click on this update and boom, it's done. And before that, what I'll do one more setting, which is to make sure that the pop-up should load immediately for this tutorial. I'll click on this immediate, and yeah, it's done. So pages, I'll click on this update, and let's see home page. So I think now the pop-up will only be displayed on the home page. So here is our demo site. So what I'll do is I'll just refresh it, and our pop-up should be there. Yeah, here is our pop-up. But if I'll go to any other page like blog, yeah, in blog page, the pop-up is not there. So it's working perfectly. Let's go back to home. And yeah, here is our pop-up. So yeah, it's working perfectly. Now let's see other settings. Show on specific page or home page. We have selected home page, and now we have two settings over here, matches and contains. So if it matches some kind of page like blog, so now I have added blog over there, so the pop-up will be displayed in the blog slug also. So I'll click on this add rule. So yeah, it's there. It is home page or matches blog, so it's done. Now I'll click on update. Now let's go back to our demo site and let's see it, how it looks. So now I'm at my demo site. Let's refresh it. So the pop-up is there. Let's go to blog. And yeah, pop-up is also there. So yeah, it's working fine. But if I'll go to some other link, let's see whether pop-up is there or not. Let's wait for a while more. And yeah, we can't see pop-up over there. So it's working perfectly. Let's go back to home. Yeah, pop-up is working fine. So our settings are working perfectly. And what else we have over here? So we have already covered matches. Then we have contains. So if you have selected contains over here, so what contains does is it will search in the URL for that exact word. So if in the URL that exact word is there, then the pop-up will be displayed to that page also. So let's see an example. So for example, we have interior design psychology over there. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here, psychology, and I'll click on this add rule, and let's remove this block. So let me update this. So I'm at home page. The pop-up should be there. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's go to blog. So we are in the blog page, but we can't see the pop-up because in the slug, it doesn't have the psychology word. But here, let's see if I click on this, the pop-up should be there because it has psychology. Yeah, it's there. Let's go back and let's see in other post. There is no psychology in the URL, so the pop-up shouldn't be there. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So yeah, now I think you guys have understood how contains work. And in matches, we have one more setting. So if I will, it's like if we use star, then what will happen is it will, match to all of your subdirectories. Like if I will write something like blog, then star means all. So in blog directory, it will display pop-up in all the pages. So that means that. So let's remove this and I will update. So let's see it in my demo site. So here I am in, so here I am at my demo site. Let's refresh it. The pop-up is there. Let's go to blog. And blog, the pop-up shouldn't be there. Now let's go to the first article. The pop-up should be there. Yeah, the pop-up is there. Let's go back. Let's click on the second post. The pop-up is there. Third, the pop-up is there. Fourth, the pop-up is there. Fifth, the pop-up is there. So yeah, it's working perfectly because what we have done is we have matched blog stars. So yeah, what it will do is it will show pop-up in all the pages in the directory blog. So that means that. So after that, let's move to the hide pages. So in hide pages, it's similar to the show pages. So it has matches contains, and from where you want to hide the pop-up, then we have matches. Then you want to, let's say, hide it from home page. So I'll click on add rule. So now it will be hidden from the home page. So let's remove it from here. Okay, home page. Let's update it. Now let's go back to our site. So yeah, here I'm at my home page of my demo site and the pop-up is not there. So let's go to blog and this article, the pop-up should be there. Yeah, the pop-up is there. But if I'll click on home and go back, the pop-up is not there. So it works that way. And I think with these two things like show and hide, you can do magic on how you want to display pop-ups. And if you want to display on any specific page or some kind of offer page, pricing page, you can do similar thing for, widgets, embeds and forms. So yeah, it's very easy and very efficient, and it's one of the best way to show pop-ups without making the pop-ups intrusive, because now you are targeting only the specific pages. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.